to write for message versus purpose in your AP Lang class. First off, I'm going to go through a quick rundown of message versus purpose. And message is just kind of your idea expressed throughout your passage. That's going to be a more literal interpretation. Whereas purpose, you go a little bit more out there, and it's also going to be spread throughout the passage. It's not quite what is it saying, more what is it saying in conjunction with the real world. Now, the important part is, how do you write about them? How do you differentiate in your essay, in your rhetorical analysis, between message and purpose? It's easy to get them switched up, and if you do, you can lose a lot of points for just one mistake. We'll start with message, and I kind of like to think of it as a metaphor, a kind of travel guide to your speech or letter or whatever you're reading. It's kind of a summarization in a sense, and you're in this self-contained box. You're just explaining to your AP grader what it's all about. There's nothing, as I said, about purpose, nothing about the real world in there. And for purpose, on the other hand, you're going to want to focus on how this would influence the audience's action to connect it to the aforementioned real world. Message, it's just like, what is this thing saying and how does it say that? Whereas purpose is the way it's saying that, or what it's saying, how does that impact the actions of something external? That's the kind of extra step, although oftentimes it feels like you automatically go the extra step and it's harder to detract from that and pull back to your message if you're taught purpose first. Thank you for listening.